Hey guys, today we're going to do a little quick unboxing video and install for the ratchet straps for the Ford BoxLink. When you get the 4-pack, you're going to get 4 straps, sticker, some washers, and a T30 Torx bit. The first thing we're going to do is remove the factory Ford BoxLinks brackets. We're going to use the included T30 driver bit. You can either put that on a drill like this or on some sort of screwdriver like that, whatever works best for you. All right, once you get all those removed, you're going to take the factory screws and you're going to install one washer from the package on each of the 4 screws per bracket. All right, once you have the washers on the screws, you're going to install it with the opening to the top, just like that. You don't want to tighten them all down until you have all 4 of them started. So just get the first one started, like that. Just jump over here to this side. Get that one. I like to pivot this out of the way like that so you can get to the right one there. And then you rotate it like that to get to the left one. So again, get them all started before you start tightening down, and then you can go back and tighten each one. Just like that. Check to make sure it's nice and snug both directions. There you go. Now we're going to do the rest. There you go. There's the last one. Check to make sure they're all nice and tight. And that's it. You just installed all 4 of them. So once you have them all installed and you've used them for a while, if they get a little bit loose on the pivot, either here or here, it's super simple to adjust to tighten it up. If you want a little bit tighter, or like I said, if they get loose, no problem. There's Delrin in between these 2 points and in here. All you're going to do, if you want to adjust this pivot point here for this one, is you need a 9/16 wrench on both sides, and you just tighten like that. That will increase the resistance here. If you want it here a little bit tighter, it's 3/4 wrench on this side and this side. Tighten them down, and that will stiffen this up. So if you want it to be stiffer, there you go. If you want it to be a little bit looser on your truck, just loosen them a little bit. Either way works just fine.